Hey everyone, it's Bri. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the SpiegelMom Scraps design team. And I'm going to be working with the Balloon Festival Sequin Mix that's part of the May release. And I'll also be working with a couple of my paper person kits as well as my inks and stamps. Off camera, I stamped out my title, which is Pinch, Peel, Eat, Repeat. Which goes with my photo, which is of my son eating some crawfish on a sunny day. So he loves crawfish, and I thought it would be fun to have like a cute title and to stamp it out. I did do it off camera because I didn't want my head and all that to be in the frame, and I've always liked to stamp. I've always loved stamping. I just don't usually do it in a lot of my scrapbooking layouts. Or scrapbook layouts, and so I've had a lot of fun lately. All right, so let's talk real quick about the brand new acetate sheets that are now available in the Sequin or SpiegelMom Scrap Shop. They are so, I don't know, they are so much better than the acetate sheets that I have, like my transparencies. Just they're shiny, they're clear, they are just fabulous. And so of course I'm making a little shaker embellishment using one of these shapes that I fussy cut from a 3x4 card, or a no, it's a cutout paper, but it's in the size of a 3x4. I'm sorry, I think this is my fourth time doing my voiceover, so yeah, I'm so sorry. All right, so I've created my little shaker. I'm spooning my sequins into there, or into like the little pocket, and I do jam pack it because I don't care if it shakes or not. This is just to showcase these specific sequins. Now, a lot of the times I do create shakers, not only because I like them and I like the way they look on layouts, but I like some of these mixes just look so great together. Jody really puts a lot of thought into them. And yes, a lot of them are great, like if you sew them, or if you put some glue down and lay them, on your layout. I love doing that. But this is a way for me to showcase how pretty they look all together, and that's why it's always my go-to. And I love to find different ways to make shakers. Like I try to look at a piece of paper or look at an embellishment or a sticker or something and see, okay, well, how can I turn that into some kind of shaker pocket, an embellishment, like any kind of thing. So anyways, yeah, so that one was super simple to create. I just cut the middle of it, adhered the acetate, did some foam tape around the perimeter, spooned in the sequins, and then backed it with some vellum. Here, all I'm doing is choosing some different pattern papers from both the February and March kits, and I'm just loosely and messily layering them underneath my photo. I do distress the edges. I did tear some of the bottom portions of a few of the papers, and I'm going to adhere them all together and then add a few staples to the side. Now, my son loves crawfish. When it's crawfish season, he's so happy. And we ended up having a food truck night in our neighborhood, and we were swimming. And so my older son walked down to go get his little brother some crawfish. And I think that he got 3 pounds and then ate all of them to himself. Because, I could eat a few things, like a few crawfish, but they're good, but I can, once I have maybe 5 or 10, I'm over it, it's fine. And my oldest son, he's okay. He doesn't really care for them. So Elijah just is in heaven and will eat. And he doesn't care that we don't eat them because he gets it all to himself. So anyways, I took my big mama foam tape out, and I did add some underneath my layers to make sure that everything was level and even. And I'm going to adhere my little shaker embellishment down. I did trim off all of the little sunbursts. To me, it didn't really look like a sun. When I fussy cut it out of the cut apart sheet, it looked kind of like an organism, or I don't know, some graphic looking thing. So I just trimmed them all off, and it looks so much better like that. And now, so in these little paper person kits, they are small kits, so they're great. But I like all the things, and I like having options. So since the March kit went with the Some Days collection by Pink Fresh Studio, I did pull in a few elements from that collection to add. So I fussy cut some florals, and I added a few floral ephemera pieces, like a chipboard sticker, as well as, I don't know if I added any puffy stickers. Yeah, but the majority of those florals are from a pattern paper that I just fussy cut because I felt like I needed a few more things. I thought it was a little too empty, and I do like to add layers and, pop things up on foam and all that. I don't think I do too much else to this layout. I do, I'm just adding in some stickers here. I do end up putting some of the white sequins from the mix around my page, just to bring in another element of the sequins, but also just, since they are white, it is hard to see on the final photos, but they are there, and it's just another element of interest. So I'm going to take my glue in my fine liner bottle. I believe it's Scotch Tacky Glue, and my Crystal Katana, because I love that thing. It's so easy, and like I've said before, sequins stick to my fingers, and this makes this whole process go so much quicker for me. So I'm just going to add a small dot and then add the sequins in, taking care with the size of each one and making sure that they're kind of spread out. So I've got some big ones, little ones, and medium-sized ones scattered, and it was just a fun finishing touch. I did add some tangled thread underneath a few different areas, but that's about it. So here is an up-close shot. I'm sorry for my crooked, I don't know why my camera was crooked, but yeah, so here are those sequins, my little shaker embellishment up close, and all of those fun layers. So yeah, use my code Brianna15 to save you 15% off in the shop. And thanks again for watching. So here are some up-close shots, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye.